up, Queendom? It's the Chantel here, and I am back with another video. Alright, Queendom, so as you see by the title, today, I'll be showing y'all how I got this ice me out vibe, you feel me? I got this run me my money vibe going on, you feel me? So, yeah, I attempted the KashDoll ponytail, and I mean, y'all let me know if y'all think it was successful or not. I mean, it came out cute to me. I'm looking like a baddie, you feel me? I'm looking like KashDoll iced me out in every other video she used this in, whatever video she used this in, I don't know. I just know I seen it going around and I wanted to try it, so here I am, you feel me? But I mean, it's something quick and simple. You see I'm feeling myself because I keep moving it like I'm a baddie or something. But on a serious note, you guys, like I said, y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all think it was a hit or a miss. I mean, it came out alright to me. I do have a few things that I would change about how I did it, but that will be in another video when I try this again, because I will be trying this again. I mean, it didn't come out perfect, but it came out okay to me, you know? Alright, y'all, so I'm just going to jump into the video. I am starting off on freshly washed and blowed out hair. If you want to see a tutorial on how I blow dry my hair, just let me know. Now I'm just going in with a good amount of gel, and yes, I said a good amount. And I'm just going to brush my hair up as if I was doing a ponytail, and then I'm going to brush my edges out, and once I brush my edges out, I'm going to place the rest of my hair into a ponytail. Now it is the next day, and I did sleep with my edges like this simply because I wanted my edges to be super laid for this look, because I mean, it's a KashDoll look, so you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, period. Now I'm just taking some gel and some Gorilla Snot, and I'm going to mix it together, and this just helps me get, for me personally, it helps my hair sleek down a lot. Also, after that I'm going to go in and brush it through, and I'm also going to use a comb, but I'm not going to go all the way through the ends. I'm just going to go through the roots. Now I'm going to split my ponytail in two because I don't want to flat iron it. So I'm going to split it in two and braid it down. Just because it's a bit thick when it's in a ponytail. So I'm going to, you know, split it in half so it's easier to manage. And then once I do that, I'm going to place it into a small bun. Alright, so yes, I am getting a old sock that is clean, that I don't use anymore. I don't have to match, I guess. And I'm going to wrap it around my bun. I would have used a stocking cap, but this was something I thought about last minute and I didn't have time to go to the store. So yeah. After that, I'm going to take my tracks and I'm going to place some glue on them, and that's the reason for the for the socks, so that I don't get any glue on my real hair. So I'm going to start with the track, and I'm going to put glue on the ends, and then I'm going to start wrapping. And when you start wrapping, you want to wrap from the top to the bottom. I hope that makes sense, or from the end to the top, whichever makes sense. You can see what I mean. Now I only put glue on some of the pieces, and this is where I wish I would have did something different, because the glue was very messy. So I think next time if I do this, I would probably sew it, because the glue is just too messy for me. Like, I don't know if y'all have seen it already, but you're going to see it soon. It's glue all on my arm. Like, it was just so messy. So yeah, this is one step I wish I would have done differently, but hey, we can't change it. Now I'm just going to put up this hair so that it's out of the way. And y'all see on my arms where I have glue at, like I said, it was very messy. But when I start with the next bundle, I'm going to go in with the end, and I'm just going to wrap it around with that string first, and then I'm going to start wrapping. And this is particularly going to stay at the roots because I already wrapped a bundle around my bun. But this is another step I wish I would have done differently, because this step is really okay. It's just I feel that the ends could have been a bit more full. So yeah, and I also would have got a longer length. So next time, I do plan on probably getting a 14, just so that it's longer and fuller. Alright, so now that I'm done wrapping, I'm going to go in to the back, and I'm just going to pull out a piece, and then I'm going to put up the hair that I'm not about to use right now. And then I'm going to apply a bit of Gorilla Snot to the hair just so that it's a bit sticky. I didn't have the Got2b spray, so I'm going to apply the Gorilla Snot, and this makes it a bit sticky. And then I'm going to begin to wrap it around the I guess you could say the roots or the base. I don't really know what they call this. And then once I'm done wrapping it, I'm going to bobby pin it just to secure it. So now that I have it wrapped, I think y'all can kind of see it's like a bit gappy. I had to go in and kind of like pull out pieces that was wrapped under. And this is another step I wish, like, y'all have to really take your time when you're doing this hairstyle, because the pieces just, I don't know how to explain it. They just get tucked under, and then it's not the real length. So yeah, y'all have to take your time when you're doing this. But as you see right now, I'm just combing it and trying to get this spots out, because it's just like gappy. And once I get the gaps out, I'm just gonna go in and cut it. And I did have to ask my boyfriend for help because, of course, you know, you can't see behind you, and I wanted to get it as perfect as possible. So yeah. Once you have your cut, you want to go in and flat iron it, and you don't want to bump it at the ends. You want to just go straight through and let it fall how it naturally falls after you flat iron it. And yeah, now like I said, you know, this hairstyle, it was an attempt, and I mean, it came out okay. It could have came out a little better, but I will be trying it again. So if y'all do like try this hairstyle, just let me know, you know, exactly what y'all would have done differently or what I could have done to improve it, because like I said, I just seen it going around and I wanted to attempt it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to press the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my other videos. I love you guys so much, and until next time, bye!